Do you want to impress with your radiant smile? The Rapid White Power Set helps you achieve up to 7 shades whiter teeth in just 1 week, easily from the comfort of your home. Preparation phase. First, shape the dental trays to fit your teeth. To do this, prepare a heat-resistant container with hot but not boiling water, large enough to allow the trays to move freely. Wait approximately 60 seconds before dipping the tray into the hot water while holding it by the tab. After 10 to 12 seconds, the tray will become soft and crystal clear. Remove it from the water, ensuring it does not stick together. Test its temperature on the inside of your wrist. If the temperature is comfortable, carefully place the tray onto your upper teeth. Press it gently against your teeth using your tongue and fingers, and close your mouth carefully. Avoid biting down for about 10 seconds after moulding the tray. Remove the shaped tray from your mouth and check the fit. If you're satisfied with the result, cut off the tab with scissors and store the tray in the provided box. Now, shape the tray for your lower teeth, carrying out the same process again. If you're not happy with the moulding of a tray, you can soften it again and repeat the process. Whitening phase. Before starting the whitening process, thoroughly brush your teeth. Squeeze a small amount of whitening gel around each of the mouth trays and set them aside for a moment. Now apply the accelerator. Ensure that enough liquid comes out of the sponge. Dab the accelerator onto the front teeth evenly. Avoid contact with lips or gums. After applying, do not close your mouth to allow the accelerator to adhere to your teeth properly. Place the prepared mouth trays into your mouth and hold them in place by biting down gently. This helps mix the accelerator and whitening gel, initiating the whitening process. If any excess gel gets onto your lips or gums, remove it with a moistened cotton bud. Leave the mouth trays in your mouth for 10 minutes. Aftercare. Remove both mouth trays and rinse your mouth thoroughly 2 to 3 times to remove any gel residues. Then, brush your teeth for at least 2 minutes using the Rapid White Whitening toothpaste included in the set. The result? A radiant white smile.